Hello, friends. It's been a minute. How are you all doing? I hope you've been good and I hope you have been enjoying my other videos. So, this is what I had today for lunch, and I'll tell you how I arrived at this. I'm from Nigeria, where everyone eats rice on Sunday, rice and stew, jollof rice, fried rice, and so on. But I didn't want to have rice and stew, so I decided to make rice and veggies. So I took out these fresh tomatoes, fresh onions, and pepper I'd bought earlier from the market. I washed them thoroughly with water. I also washed my crayfish. This would give the meal a special kind of flavor. Then I went ahead to dice my tomatoes. This took a while, but I enjoyed the process. Then I proceeded to chop my onions into large pieces before blending them. I've always said this, I don't like my onions being visible in my food, so I'd rather blend everything. Then I blended my pepper and the crayfish I washed earlier. And it was time to wash my vegetables. This is pumpkin leaf. It is very much available in Nigeria, and of course the saint leaves. I went ahead to wash the plucked vegetables with salt and lots of water. Then the slicing began. I love to slice vegetables. It is kind of therapeutic for me. I can't explain it, but I just enjoy doing this. If you feel this way, if you enjoy slicing vegetables, if you love watching people do it, if you love watching the process, please let me know in the comments. I want to believe I am not alone on this table. Then the cooking process began properly. I anointed the pan with oil and then I added the blended onions into it. This is me sauteing the onions. I continued this process until the onions turned a light brown. I introduced the diced tomatoes to the sauteed onions because I wanted a special kind of flavor, and that can only happen if they interact properly with each other. I covered the pan and let it cook for about 3 minutes. I stirred this for a little while, then I added my blended pepper and crayfish and continued to stir. Then I went in with my seasoning powder and of course salt to taste. This is a very quick meal you can prepare within the space of 10 minutes. It's stress-free, low budget, and very nutritious. I covered the pot for about 1 minute to let the flavors come together. I stirred again, then I added my sliced scent leaves. I stirred again roughly for about 5 seconds, and finally I added my sliced pumpkin leaves. I stirred generously to make every ingredient come together. Then I covered the pot for about 10 seconds. Trust me, you wouldn't want the green to lose its color. Look at this beautiful goodness. This is nutritious. This is good for everyone who is struggling with weight loss. Anyone who just wants to be healthy, this is a very much recommended meal. So I actually took out my protein from the pot of stew, which I didn't want. So this is the final result. I'm sure you love it, and I know you would want to try this. If you're going to try this recipe, please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to share what next I have with you. And remember to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.